According to a report in the Urdu newspaper, Munsif Daily, on page number 4, February 2015, it reported that till 2008, from 2000 to 2008, America was supplying arms, was selling arms and was earning approximately $13 billion every year till 2008. And after 2008, suddenly it jumps to $103 billion every year in the sales of arms. Meaning, USA started selling arms, and 2000 to 2008, almost on an average $13 billion arms are sold every year. Sudden jump after 2008, $103 billion. I say people like you and me, honest if we are, if we have true values that we have been taught in our schools and by our parents, can't you reflect? If somebody is selling weapons, it has to be used. They first create players, they first create fighters in the market, they sell the weaponry. It's a business. It's a business. And why Islamic terrorism? This is marketing strategy. You know, when I was in USA in 2004, I saw certain billboards, hoardings. And on the hoarding it was written, say no to drugs. A very good statement, slogan. The slogan is, drugs. Say no to drugs. And the people in America said that those hoardings were put by the drug lords. It's a marketing strategy. Why? Excitement. When you are said not to do something, you want to inquire why I shouldn't do that. And in the process, they got more drug purchasers. So say no to war. Islamic terrorism. Islamic terrorism. So the more you are going to highlight Islamic terrorism, pick up fringe elements from anywhere doing something naughty, something vulgar, something against humanity, pick them up, present in your media as the people fighting for Islam, let the world believe it, and you find hatred against Muslims. When people hate Muslims, the Muslims hate the people. Result, the arms are sold out. We don't have common sense. This is what has been happening all these years. This is not my report. I am quoting all outside sources. I am quoting, see, today if you ask me what is the religion of the masses, I say media is the religion of the masses. People read Vedas, but they don't believe Vedas. They read Bhagavad Gita, they don't believe it. CNN said something, believe it. Oh, CNN said, no, Bhagavad Gita is there, but CNN said this. What has happened to us? It's mediaism, a new religion today. Media is taken as a religion today. Anything media gives, you digest it. You don't even see whether it is hygienic or not, whether it is correct or incorrect. So misinformation. What is the marketing strategy of the world media today? Misinformation shall be presented as information to the people. You are informed and you don't verify whether it is right or wrong and you absorb it. So now when we make research, we find all these statistics are going against the theory that Islam promotes terrorism. Where is Islamic terrorism? If that is the case, why have my Indian people forgotten? My Indian Hindu friends forgotten? As Muslims ruled India for about 800 years and plus. But we are in a minority today. If Islam was a religion that forced Islam upon others, 80% would be Muslims in India and 20% non-Muslims. But still after a rule of 1000 years in India, we are still a minority.